All right, so this video discusses the first practice handout for Chapter 3. The top part of this handout gives you some steps that I think are useful to follow. So you can see step A, first step, grammatical analysis. Let's find the main verb, right? You move to step B. If this main verb is a linking verb, then you've instantly reduced your choices to 3, and now you just have to determine, is this an adverb, a predicate nominative, or a predicate adjective pattern. However, if you find the main verb, you determine the main verb is not a linking verb, then you're on to step C, and you must determine if the item is followed by a noun phrase. So we can see in pattern 4, if it's not followed by a noun phrase, then it must be an intransitive verb. Okay, but if you find the main verb, it is followed by a noun phrase, then you have to look further down the list. Is there only one noun phrase? If there's only one noun phrase, then you have pattern 5. If there are 2 noun phrases, you must determine whether it is 6 or 7. Recall with pattern 6, you can change the order of the IO and the DO, but pattern 7, you cannot do that. All right, so I think these are useful steps to move through. So I'm sorry that these are a little difficult to read, but let's go through these on the first page. So the patient waited for almost 2 hours. So as we said, the first step, identify the main verb. Okay, the main verb is waited. Is waited a linking verb? No, it is not. So we're on to the next step. Is the verb followed by a noun phrase? No, it is not. For almost 2 hours is a prepositional phrase. So therefore, we have subject, the patient, and we have an intransitive verb waited because this item is not followed by a noun phrase. Number 2, Disney World offers visitors family entertainment. So we have the subject, Disney World. But if we call our first step is to identify the main verb, that's offers. Is offers a linking verb? No. So pattern 1, 2, 3 are gone. Those are off the table. Are there one noun phrase, 2 noun phrases? Well, it looks like there's definitely more than one. So pattern 4 is gone. Are there 2? Well, looks like pattern 5 is gone, and we have to determine whether it is 6 or 7. So how do we do that? We do the movement test. Can you say Disney World offers family entertainment to visitors? Yes, you can. So that must be IODO. Number 3, Dad signed my report card. Dad signed it. Right? We have the main verb signed. It is not a linking verb. It is followed by one noun phrase. So it's STVDO. Number 4, find the verb evaporated. Is it a linking verb? No. So pattern 1, 2, 3 are off the table. Is it followed by a noun phrase? No, it is not. So this is an intransitive verb pattern, S plus IV. 5, find the main verb, fired. Is it linking? No. So 1, 2, or 3 are gone. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yes. Pattern 4 is gone. How many noun phrases? Just one, his gun. All right, so just one noun phrase must be direct object. Number 6, Roosevelt named Eisenhower Supreme Allied Commander. So find the main verb, named. Is it a linking verb? No. So 1, 2, and 3 are gone. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yes. Pattern 4 is gone. Is it followed by one noun phrase? Well, no, it looks like there must be 2 of them. So pattern 5 is gone. Okay, so we're looking at pattern 6. Can we move it? Roosevelt named Supreme Allied Commander to Eisenhower? No, you can't do that. Eisenhower is the Supreme Allied Commander. So that is DOOC. Number 7, the dessert was too sticky and sweet. Find the main verb. It's was. Is was a linking verb? Yes, it is. So what comes after this? So now we're looking at patterns 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, and 7 are off the table, and we just have to determine is sticky. Sticky is an adjective, an adverb, or a noun. So don't be confused that, well, it's actually followed by to, T-O-O. But the sentence is not the dessert was to. The dessert was sticky. Sticky is the item that we need to focus on, and sticky is an adjective. So S-L-V-P-A. So in number 8, again, find the main verb. What is it? Was. Is it a linking verb? Yes. Okay, so you have to determine 1, 2, or 3. What is challenging? Challenging is an adjective. The class sounds difficult. Okay, find the main verb. Sounds. Is that a linking verb? Kind of looks like one. Let's test it. The class is difficult. The B test works. So sounds here is a linking verb. So we have S-L-V, and difficult. Difficult is an adjective, right? So the class sounds happy. So difficult must be an adjective because we can substitute a word that we know is an adjective in its spot. 10, Yellowstone is a national treasure. Find the verb. Is a national treasure. That is a noun phrase, so predicate nominative. Number 11, the supply seems limitless. Seems. That can sometimes be a linking verb. Let's test it. The supply is limitless. Yeah, that works. Limitless, what is that? That's an adjective. So we have S-L-V-P-A. Again, if you don't know what limitless is, well, what is limitless? Is it an adjective, an adverb? Is it a noun? Well, if it's a noun, can you substitute Robert? The supply seems Robert? No, that doesn't work. So it's not a noun. Okay, is it an adverb? The supply seems very. The supply seems quickly. No, those don't work. Can't be an adverb. The supply seems big. The supply seems happy. Yeah, those kind of make sense. So it must be a predicate adjective. Number 12, Captain Hook liked a good challenge. So we have identify the main verb. It is liked. Is it a linking verb? No, it's not. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 are gone. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yes. 4 is gone. How many noun phrases? Just one. Got to be pattern 5. STVDO. 13. Find the main verb past. Is it a linking verb? No. 1, 2, 3, gone. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yeah, looks like it. So number 4 is gone. How many noun phrases? Just one. A new regulation. So this is STVDO. 14. The plan was a complete disaster. Find the verb. Was. Is it a linking verb? Yes. So we just have to decide then. A complete disaster. Is it noun, adjective, or adverb? Well, we have this disaster. We have a thing. We have a noun. So this is a predicate nominative. SLVPN. 15. The Weather Channel predicted sunny days and mild nights. Find the main verb. Predicted. Is it linking? No. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yes. So 4 is off. How many? Well, it's just one. So it's STVDO. Everyone admired Linda's flexibility. And find the main verb. Admired. So that's transitive. We have one noun phrase after it. Just flexibility. Linda's flexibility is one thing. So that's STVDO.